Sorry, I used to have 4. I have two now.
Okay.
They're strapped at, these are 1.4 ohm coils, so I'm running 0.35 per amp.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What's going on, man?
Can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
My name is Joe. I have 4 DB4 15s on 4 SoundCube 3500s. Or I'm sorry, I used to have 4. I have two now.
Okay.
They're strapped at, these are 1.4 ohm coils, so I'm running 0.35 per amp strap. That's what I got. I got some of those North Star batteries, the bigger ones. I'm trying to remember what they are exactly. And then I have a DC 270 up front. So yeah.
What are you tuned to?
It's tuned at about 34.
Sure, man.
Yeah, man, I've been out of it since the last TDH show. I just got all this wired back up, man.
Oh, you just got it hooked up?
Yeah, I realized I had issues with one of my amps, so I'm having to run 2. But it's doing pretty good.
Can I see the back?
Yeah, no problem, man.
Nice. And those are the, I think these are the 400s.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I was just realizing, I was thinking about it.
Yeah, I think they're the 400s, yeah.
Yep. I need to upgrade to something lighter and smaller, aka lithium, but it sounds
those are heavy
nowadays.
Yep.
What's going on, everyone? I'm Jacob Vile. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Joe's system. This was back in 2021 at the TDH Team Deadly Hertz show in Virginia. Go ahead and give them a like if you haven't already. This was back when masks were mandated. Don't wear them today, obviously. So give him a like and comment. Give him some positive feedback, what you like about his system. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. So he has a center port instead of a driver port or passenger port. Usually this is the most optimal layout design I see when people do flat walls in cars because it has an equalized balance of the vehicle with the cabin, and he had the door open on his side when he was giving me the demo, so he was definitely giving me the pressure, and you're going to see that door flex was insane. My wife got outside. So I have a question of the day I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's comments on. He made a comment about it, AGM or lithium, and he was planning to go to lithium because it was lighter. So what is your choice? Do you choose AGM batteries or lithium batteries? Looking forward to y'all's comments explaining why you chose which. I've definitely noticed there's a lot more people using lithium today than they were 3 to 5 years ago when I went to shows, but there's still AGM use as well. So going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day. Pretty impressive to see how loud this got. Enjoy.
Nice. Something lighter and smaller, aka lithium, but it sounds
those are heavy
nowadays.
Yep.
let me
Yeah, man, I've been out of it since the last TDH show. I just got all this wired back up, man.
Oh, you just got it hooked up?
Yeah, I realized I had issues with one of my amps, so I'm having to run two. But it's doing pretty good.
Thank you. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thanks for the demo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.